This how to 1 minute will show you how to install WordPress plugin from cpanel. So if you have a plugin downloaded on your computer in zip format, you can easily upload the plugin from cpanel. First of all, log into your cpanel and open File Manager. And now navigate to your website directory and open wp-content folder and open plugins folder. And now we will upload our plugin zip file here. So click on upload, click on select file and select your plugin zip file. Once it's complete, click on go back. And now here scroll down and search for the plugin that you just uploaded. Select the file and now we will extract the zip file. So click on extract, extract files. Now I'm going to reload this folder.